Options chain. The options chain module allows you to console the option prices for a certain contract. The module is split into two main areas. The toolbar, where you can select the contract and the chains, and also you can see the future prices for the given contract, and the options tables down here, where you can switch between the available tabs. The toolbar. Selecting a contract is similar to other modules. You can just type in the symbol and select one from the suggestions. But you will now have the extra step of checking one or more desired chains. We can check American and maybe the European week 1. Once we're finished, simply click outside the dialog to apply the contract. You will see the options split up into tabs for each month and chain available. You can console the prices for the options in the table below. Use the navigation buttons at the bottom to browse between all the strikes. By default, you'll always be centered at the money. If you ever move away, you can just press the Recenter at the Money button to go back to the default position. Customizing the columns for this module is very similar to the way it is done in Quotes Monitor. Just click on the Select Columns menu option from the module menu, and the columns dialog will appear. You can toggle between columns you want to see and hide. You can drag them by the handle to rearrange, and you can expand some columns to check whether or not you want to change the alignment or even show the size in a certain price cell. Clicking Save will apply the changes. Placing orders is easy. Simply left-click or right-click on the desired price to trigger the Place Order dialog. Left-click will default to Buy, right-click will default to Sell.